Hello, welcome to the day 10 overview video. Let's go on in here to the folder to see what we have. Alright, so here is day 10, and like I said, from day 9 you guys are learning about acids and bases and looking at the pH, so you're going to take it a little bit further now that you know a little bit about acids and bases and what kind of makes something an acid and something a base. You're going to look at the pH scale. So there is a simulation, another PhET simulation that's looking just at the pH. So you're going to be looking at the pH of different substances. And so this is a Google Doc. Again, these are going to just be your notes. So you do not have to turn in this Google Doc, but you're going to want to use that Google Doc to answer questions on the puzzle piece, because that's the graded assignment for this day. So here's the simulation again. You want to probably split screen the simulation with the Google Doc so that you can fill that in, get your notes all done. And then the acids and base, the puzzle piece, is the graded assignment for this activity. So please make sure you get this done first. Again, there's multiple attempts on the puzzle piece, just like always. So if you don't like it the first time, go back, maybe fill in some more notes, take a look at the simulation again, and then try it again. And that is it for day 10.